Hey guys, do you want to learn how you can make $10,000 a month online while still working a 9-to-5 job? And the best part about it is you don't need any products, any experience, and you only need a few hours a day. Guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and I used to work as an electrical engineer at my 9-to-5 job. This is my degree in electrical engineering, as you can see here. And honestly, I absolutely hated it. I hated not having the time freedom, not having the financial freedom to do what I wanted when I wanted to do it. Now, I started my affiliate marketing business in May of 2019, and within 9 months, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing. Now I want to show you my unique 3-step process on how you can get started in building a 6-figure online business with affiliate marketing. I have a new challenge called the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge that's going to walk you through step by step, click by click on how you can build your business in just 3 days. Now guys, I'm going to show you some testimonials of my students that are already seeing results within the first few months. Check this out. Now this is inside my Facebook group, the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. Here's Trish Boyd right here. She got her first $1,000 sale with my program here. And if I keep scrolling down, this is Yamani. She got her first 2 high-ticket sales with my program and inside the 3-day challenge. And if I keep scrolling down, we have testimonial after testimonial of students getting their first high-ticket commissions. And guys, it just goes on and on. This is Liam Bright here. He got his first commission with my program here. And some of these students have never even had a commission ever. This is Deanne Woon, who got her first $1,000 sale with Freedom Breakthrough. And guys, as you can see, the commissions just go on and on and on because students are actually getting sales and they're actually getting results. This is RJ Pandy. He actually lost his job, and you can see here he got his first high ticket commission with my program. Alright guys, so now I want to show you my simple 3-step process on how I built my 6-figure online business. Now step number 1 is we got to find a product we don't even own. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing, is we don't have to make the product, we don't have to worry about customer service, anything like that. Okay, so we can find a product that we're already interested in. Now we can do this by going to somewhere like clickbank.com. Now inside of here, you can go to the marketplace and you can find a product in every single niche. Okay, so if I go to the search bar here, then we can actually find a product that's already converting, that's already doing very well. Okay, so you can find a product in every single niche that you can think of, right? So the weight loss niche, the carbo fix niche, right? Or the diabetes, you can, any type of product that you can think of is inside of here. You look at that, politics, all kinds of different things, make money online, crypto, and all you gotta do here is hit promote and generate a hop link, and this is your link here. So when someone clicks on this link, you make money. Now, if I go back over here, this is step number 1, right? We got to find the product. And step number 2 is now we got to find, or we got to create this simple 1-page website. Okay. Now this simple 1-page website looks like this, right? Extremely simple. And all we got to do here is collect an email address. Okay. Now the reason we're doing this is because we're creating this email list here. And this is going to be, this is how I built my 6-figure business, is this right here, guys, is my email list. Now, if I go to my email list, I don't have a super massive list. I only have 58,000 emails, but this is ranking me in at least $30,000 to $40,000 a month with my email list. Okay. Now, after that, right, after we built out our email list, then it goes to step number 3, which is getting people or getting traffic to that list or to that 1-page website, and then we're sending them a product to our a product that we don't own. And that's the whole process, guys. This is the simple 3-step process that helped me build my 6-figure business and helped me leave my 9-to-5 job. Now, if you click on the link below or around this video, it's going to take you to a page like this where you can access my new 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. We're going to teach you exactly step by step, click by click, how you can import this whole business model into your own as well. And you don't need any experience. You don't need any products to get started, anything like that, guys. I'm going to show you exactly step by step inside my 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. So click the link down below. It's going to take you to a page like this, enter your email, and we'll see you guys inside. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Jonathan has created an awesome product. In fact, if you've ever seen him online, you might have noticed over the past few months, he has been going from group to group asking people what are the favorite things they've seen in affiliate marketing courses. Because his goal was to include absolutely everything into one course, and I think he's done a pretty dang good job in Freedom Breakthrough.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is by far probably one of the most in-depth courses that I have came across and have seen revolving affiliate marketing and getting everything set up as an affiliate marketer.
It's a full A to Z training, and I think once you get in there, you're going to discover that you do not need any other training programs.
The value and the knowledge you'll gain from this course is simply amazing. It really covers everything an affiliate marketer needs to know.
This program has been created and put together by my mentor and very good friend, Jonathan Montoya, and he knows how affiliate marketing works and how to get fantastic results from it.
Awesome, I loved it, and I feel that as a newbie, you'll get heaps of value out of it.
I was one of the lucky beta testers, and let me say that this is the most comprehensive affiliate marketing course I've ever seen.
It's a program that's going to help a lot of people, whether you're starting from scratch or you're already making money online. He starts out by helping you to pick out the right niche so that you can make money.
It doesn't matter if you're a newbie or you just get started with affiliate marketing or you are advanced or intermediate.
They show you A to Z from 0 to 100, from making your first $100 to making your first six-figure months.
You don't need to go anywhere else because this is a one-stop shop to affiliate marketing. Everything you need to know about the subject is contained in this course.
I have spent tens of thousands of dollars on training and education courses. And Jonathan Montoya's course ranks right up there at the top with any training, or probably above any training we've ever received online.
If you're looking to finally get your affiliate marketing business going and in the right direction, and you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get to work, you really owe it to yourself to get this course. It was really a life changer for me.
I actually gave up on affiliate marketing about 2 years ago, and I just recently came back into the game, and I found him through Legendary Marketer.
Now, going through his training has actually short-circuited, and it's collapsed the time frame that it was going to take me in growing my own personal brand within my own online entrepreneurial journey, especially in regards to growing my own YouTube channel and with SEO.
Are new, or you've yet to get the success that you're looking for, I strongly recommend having a look at this program.
What I see is what you've taught is what you've actually done, and I really like the way you've set it all out module by module. I love the module you had on YouTube. There's things in there I'd never seen before, never ever seen before.
I just would like you to join and to make up your mind and just go for it, because I'm sure you're going to be happy about it. You won't regret it. You're going to see that it could be one of the best decisions in your life.
So whether you're looking to make a part-time income or a full-time income and replace your job, I highly recommend Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough.
This course is by far one of the best I've seen in a long time. So if you're looking for that all-in-one A to Z course, I highly recommend you check out Jonathan Montoya's course.
Like I said before, oh my God, you need to take a look at this training. You need to sign up for it because it's definitely worth it.
So Jonathan, thank you for all you do. You're an inspiration to me. You've provided me with a path to break my old habits and finally achieve the freedom that I've been looking for more than half of my life.
Enjoy the program. Take advantage of it. Jonathan, thank you so much. See you guys.
Don't even think about it twice. Go ahead and join. You won't regret it for a single minute.
Thanks, Jonathan. I really appreciate the opportunity to be part of this training.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Thank you so much.